Okay, here it is. Today we are going to do numbers. Very good. This is our first numbers video. And we'll be counting almonds. Look. Okay, Memo. No, don't eat it up. Alright. If you want to eat, you can eat from here. Come. I'll give you some to eat, okay?
Me too.
Here are some for you. These are for counting, okay? Okay, look. Here is one almond, okay? Here's number one, okay? So we have one almond. Now, here is one more. So now we have how many? We have one and two. Two almonds, okay?
Wow.
Remote, don't look mess. Come. Look, here's another one. This one is three. Tai, जरा आइला मदद करा तो see if she needs help.
Wait a second. I'm going to use collar, G.
Here is four. Now we have four almonds, okay? This one is number 5. Here is, Ritu, is it recording properly? Here is number 6. Here is number 7. Here is number 8. Okay. Here is number 9. Okay. Now we have 9 almonds. And then,
Oh, yeah.
wait. And then, here is number 10. See, we have new symbols, we have new shapes for every number. See, this is vertical line for number 1. This loop and horizontal line for number 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have different shapes, okay? But numbers are infinite. We have a huge number of things. Wait, we will keep it. Okay, there you go. We have a huge number of things, okay? So we cannot keep drawing new shapes every time because there will be too many to remember. So what should we do? We will do what we would do in real life. Once you have a lot of something, we don't count them individually. See, we don't, when you go to buy rice, you don't say, please give me 1 million grains of rice. Is that what you say there?
No.
You say, give me one bag. That means we take a certain amount of rice, put it in a bag, and then count the bags. Okay, Bemo? So we are going to do the same
No,
thing.
you don't do that. You say, I want like 1 kg of that.
Yes, that's right. 1 kg is like one bag. Okay, it's for simplicity. You won't know what kg means. Okay, so
That's full enough.
so here are 10 things. So as soon as we reach 10 things, we will collect them all. Whenever we have 10 things, we'll collect them. Give me. We'll collect them all and put them in a container like this. Okay. So now we have. Now what do we have? We have one full container. Okay. Here is one container.
Tai?
And do we have any? Wait, keep it. Let's do it here. So, look, we have one container. Okay, so we have one here. Look, okay, here is one big container. Okay, one set of 10 things in a container. So we have one. And how many loose almonds do we have? Do we have any almonds outside?
No.
No, we have no loose almonds. So it's 0 loose almonds. Okay. 1, 0 is number 10. See, we have one full set, one bowl, and 0 loose almonds. So we have 1, 0, which is 10. Okay, that's why 10 is written as 1 followed by 0. It's not a random thing. You don't write 10 as 1 followed by 5 or 3 followed by 7. Okay, the reason why it is 1 is that we have one full set and 0 units. So 1, 0 is number 10. Okay, now let's move on. Here is, now we have one full set and one almond. So now we have one full set and one loose almond. So 1, 1, 11. That's why 11 is 1, 1. See, now we are counting the units again. See, we started with 1 and now we have one full set and again 1. So we are again going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 in the same series. But this time we already have one full set. Okay.
You couldn't see it.
Okay. So now we have one full set and one unit. 1, 1, 11. Wait, no, don't erase it. Here's 2. Okay, very good. So now we have one full set and 2. So 1, 2 is 12. Very good. Now we have 3. So 1 full set and 3 is 3 and 10. 3, 10, 13. That's why 13 is called 13. It's 3 and 10. Do you know why 11 is called 11 and 12 is called 12?
No.
11 is 1 left. Okay. So if you have a certain number and you put 10 of them in a bowl, then you have 1 left. Okay. That's why 11 is called 11. See, you will see in Hindi. In Hindi, what is 11 called? 11. Raha means to be left. Okay. Baraha. Baraha is 12. Ba means 2. It's like by. Okay. You get it? Raha means left. Teraha. 3 left. You get it?
Yeah.
And after 13, and then afterwards it's become Chaudah. Okay. Chaw means 4. Daha means 10. 4 and 10.
Raghaveni here.
Yes, no, but it's important for you to know as well.
Counting.
Okay, look.
Not me.
One full set. Okay, look, now come. No, but it's the same thing in English. So 11 is 1 left. Okay. I don't know how 1 left became 11, but that's how it is. 12 is 2 left. 2 left. 12. Okay. 1 full set and 3 units is 1, 3, 13. Okay. 3 and 10. 3, 10, 13. Memo, come here. Look, now we have 4. Okay. So 1 full set and 4 units is 4 and 10, 14. 1, 4, 14. Here is one more. Wow. Now we have, how many here do we have here, Memo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
So we have 5 units. And how many full sets? How many bowls? Only 1. So this one remains 1. No, don't eat from there. Don't eat from there. I'll give you more. Come. You need this. Okay, here's for you, Panka. Okay, so now we have Bema. There have to be 10 inside here. Okay, you cannot increase or decrease the number. If you increase the number, then it has to overflow from here. This one has only to have 10. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Only 10 can be here. Okay, not more and not less. Okay.
What
So we
about
have-
10.5?
then that half has to be outside, because we are counting. The whole counting process depends on making sure that we have sets of particular sizes only. You cannot have a bit more or a bit less, then the counting will become inaccurate. And look, now we have 1 full set, 1 big set like this, 1 full set, 1 bowl, and how many here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units. So 1 full set and 6 loose things. Loose things means units. Okay. So 1, 6, 16. Now we have, look, you have some right here, Bemo. Okay. Now we have 1 full set. There is no more set. Okay, you won't get a set separately. The set will only be 100 units. Okay. Look, 1 full set and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 1 full set and 7 units. Bemo, don't put extra things in here. Come.
Baba, what's this?
It's drawn by Bemo. Come. 1 full set and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 units. 7 and 10, 17. Okay. 7 and 10, 17. That's why 17 is called 17. 7 and 10. Okay. 1, 7, 17. Now we have one more. How many do we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 units. And the bowl is still 1. So 1 and 8. 1, 8, 18. Very good. Look, now how many do we have? Bema, no, don't erase it. Come. No, Bema. This one is counting the bowls. Okay, so we have 1 bowl. Come, you play with those things. Come. Now look, how many do we have? Look, count these elements. Bema. Okay, come. You count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And here is 1 set. 1 bowl. Okay. 1 full set and 9 units. Okay. 1 full set and 9 units is 1 and 9. 19. Okay. 9 and 10. 19. 1, 9, 19. And look, now we are going to add 1 more. But 9 is the biggest single digit number. Okay. We don't have another single digit after 9. So when we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
What about 9.5?
Yes, but that's not a full set. that's not a full object. So once we have 10 of something, we group it into a bowl like this. Okay. So now we have how many bowls? Look here. How many bowls we have? Dutu, tera आवाज कम करें.
Two.
Very good. You have 2 bowls. Okay. Let's keep it like this. So now we have 1, 2, 2 bowls. Okay. No, Bemo, don't eat it. Come. You can eat from there. Come. 1, 2, 2 bowls. Okay. Look, here is 2. Can you see the Bemo? Bemo, look. 1, 2, 2 bowls.
Are we done?
And how many? No, a few more. Okay. 1 bowl and 2 bowls. So 2 here. Okay. 2 sets of 10.
Make it 30.
Okay. Okay. 2 bowls, 1 bowl, 2 bowls. Okay. 2.
Ma'am, I think
Each of them
20 is
containing 10.
enough.
Okay. Wait now. 1 set and 2. Dutu, don't pause it. Tell. Karatra. 1 full set and 2 full sets. So we have 2. 2 sets with 10 things inside each.
I'm
Okay.
just making it
1, 2.
brighter.
And how many? Very good. And how many loose? How many individual and loose elements are out here, Memo? There's nothing. Nothing means. Nothing means.
Zero.
Very good. So 0. So
2 0.
2 0. 2 0 is 20. Okay.
2 0 is 20.
That's why 20 is indicated by 2 and 0. That means we have 2 full sets and 0 units because there's nothing here. 2 0 is 20. Okay. Now let's add one more unit. Okay. One more element. One element right here. So now we have 1 2. 2 sets and 1. 2 1 21. Okay. Here's one more. Bemo, don't erase it.
Baba, he doesn't want to do it.
No, he will want to do it
Nor
when
do
he-
I.
No, you. The important thing is you need it.
Oh.
There are many things you may or may not want. They more don't make a mess. Don't push him. I'll take care of him. So come this way. Very good. Look at this. Look at this. They more.
He doesn't.
So 1 2. We have two full sets and 2 individual things. 2 2 22. Okay. So 2 2 22. Come, only a few more. Okay. Now we add one more. 1 2 3. And how many big sets? 1 2. 2 big sets and 1 2 3. 3 units. So 2 and 3 23. Very good. Very good. Now let's add one more. Come, you read this one there. This one there.
No.
Anyway, 4. See, one set of 10, 1 and 2. 2 sets. Okay, so this is remains unchanged. But here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4. So 2 and 4, 24. Now here's one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have 5 units. And how many full sets? 1 and 2. 2 full sets. 2 full sets is indicated by this 2. And 5 units is 5. 2, 5. What is 2, 5 there?
Huh?
What is 2, 5?
25.
25. Very good. Come, we can stop at this point, okay? How many minutes?